Welcome back everyone. Today we're going to see how to use Google Wallet. First thing first, use the Google Wallet app on your iPhone or Android or visit the website. If you've saved cards in Chrome's autofill, they'll automatically transfer into Google Wallet, otherwise you'll add them manually. Open the app and tap Add Payment Card, then New Credit or Debit Card. You can scan the card with your camera or tap Enter Details manually to type in the information. Now follow the on-screen prompts to set up and verify your card. Now in the Wallet app, tap Add to Wallet, Payment Card, then PayPal. You'll be redirected to PayPal's site to log in and confirm the connection. Now go to Google Wallet on the web, click Add Payment Method, then choose a credit or debit card or bank account. Enter the details, then click Save, and the payment method will appear in your account. Now at any time, you can edit or remove existing payment methods. To add more, click or tap Add a Payment Method and repeat the steps. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.